What's up, gang? So today, we're back with another slime video. This is day 2, and I do have the same clothes on, because these are pajamas and all was your waist clothes. That was special guest, JJ. And we had the blindfold because we are going to be choosing what color we need. So if you watch my other videos, you know how this goes. And yes, we are in the closet again because this has the best lighting. So yeah. Take the thing off for now.
I'm going first.
No, we rock your scissors.
No.
And we still had these. But it's optional if you want to use that.
I use no white because that's racist.
Drop glue. Containers. Activator.
So, all the little red balls. Pause. Whoever seen that video, pause. Nigga.
So, make sure that you comment and subscribe. Where's that spoon?
You don't got one spoon?
I just said, where's that spoon? Yeah, these don't even have no curve or nothing. So anyway, open up your container.
My container been open.
And like, if you don't want nothing in your slime, like all his hair and stuff, like make a spot where you can dump your slime out on the floor, so nothing's on it. Cause my other slime has a whole bunch of hair in it. Why you gotta make so much noise like that? Okay.
I can make so much noise if I want to make so much noise. Like,
I'm gonna pour the glue that you need to have, cause
let me pour the glue.
don't add all of it, cause I don't know.
Oh, this glue smells good. I want to make it big.
The container's not that big though. Keep on going. You might as well just pour the rest of it. I'm gonna use a little bit of this.
I gotta use a lot. Got it.
I'm gonna try to now we'll be going back to what you call it, to buy some more glue.
No, you should go, you should post that video. You should post that video so I can show Mari.
So we did post it, we did make a video but I haven't edited it yet.
I'm putting this one all over the place. I'm trying to get the rest
That's
of
a lot, is it?
I don't care. Cut the line. I cut the line. Where the top at? You hear me?
Yeah, okay. We could probably make like one more slime or 2 more slimes with this, but I don't have no more containers. I only have 1 more. That means I need to order some more off of Amazon. Yes, I got other stuff on Amazon, and I still have fishball things I need clear glue, so I'm gonna save those for that. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So go ahead, put the blindfold on. You gonna put the blind? Wait, yeah, you can go first. Whatever.
Yeah, I'm going first.
It's whatever.
Alright, it's whatever. Yeah, I see that.
Okay. So choose. Come over. And I'm gonna move your glue out the way.
Bro, I'm on red. If I don't get red.
He wants red so bad. You're such a cheater. Okay. Pick a color.
Where's red? I think red dropped on my lap. Please be red.
Think?
No.
You want that color?
No.
Are you sure? Bro, do you want that color?
What is this?
You want it? Yes or no? Yes.
Let's go.
You dropped. That's why I say, are you sure? Okay. I'll let him win. This.
Bro, I swear I had red on. There you go.
Alright, ready? Take my glasses off. My Ray-Bans. Mark didn't believe I had Ray-Bans. Mark did it. If you don't know who Marty is, that is his real sister and my stepsister. So, pick the colors up there.
How I look.
Pick the colors up.
Hey, Daniel.
Yeah, what? I want pink. Okay, that's not pink. Well, I want blue. I want baby blue.
Team for this girl.
That was dumb. This is a nice color. Give me my glasses.
I was looking fresh anyway. You a hater. Now if I add mine.
So?
I'm gonna add mine. Shit.
Move out of the way.
I'm gonna add mine. Let me add.
And here we're gonna go ahead and add our color. I don't want to make it too dark.
We added 3 dots.
I'll make mine a baby blue. At Haley's house, our cousin, bro, she has some horrible colors. Like, she even... this is what I was looking for.
Mine's gonna be dark.
Perfecto.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go. This is what I wanted.
I like pink today.
Do I need to add some more, right?
Okay, this is what I was going for.
I was not going for
this.
this.
But I think I need to add more to make mine even as JJ's.
Come on, Red, come in.
I might not add flum balls to this. I don't know.
Let's keep on in.
Because all of them except for one, I added flum balls. I can't find my yellow one that doesn't have flum balls. I don't have no other things than flum balls. I don't even have Saber Cream, so right after this I'm going to add Activator.
So this is going to be a short ass video.
No. When I was on myself, it was like 13, 15, 14.
It's 6 minutes right now.
Okay. So.
What are we going to clean this off with?
You don't need to clean it now.
That's what I do.
And then just put it.
Why this shit pink? I got the wrong color.
That looks like red to me if you want to add more. That looks like red to me. Put some respect.
Put some respect.
Sorry if I can't see me because the way the camera propped up. Put it like this, JJ.
Alright, hold on.
Now that's red. Show them. So this is mine. Not his.
This is mine.
You're wasting the glue. You're wasting the glue. It's gonna drip. It's gonna drip. It dripped. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get on my freaking cover. Okay.
I got it on Mario cover, dang.
So. Gonna add an activator.
I'm gonna add.
Don't add a lot. Also, things that you're trying to add in it is not gonna stick.
I'm just gonna add like 5 drops.
That's too much.
How much you want to add? 3?
Not even 3, like 2. Yeah.
Stingy motherfucker.
I don't think it's stingy. Don't add a lot.
I didn't add a lot.
I know, I'm just saying, do not add a lot. I'm gonna add the final touch. Like I said, I'm getting my hair done Sunday. I start school on Monday.
Mark, I'm gonna use this cover.
She used it on the trip. By the way, we went on a trip. I forgot to vlog it, but we went on a trip. We went to Iowa for AAU. My cousin and my sister went to go support, you know.
Yeah.
And it was a 14-hour drive. We had a van because we was with other friends and stuff. We went down there.
Who was all in the van?
Jalil, which is like one of our fastest runners on the track team, and his mom and his dad, Jackie, and then Laron, Ty. But Ty left early.
Ty?
Yeah.
Who's Ty?
Laron, girlfriend. Wife. Yeah, Ty left early. She took a plane somewhere.
Hey, mine is becoming small. My back.
Look at the bottom. Yours bottom is all white still. If yours is not like this, it's not becoming slime.
That means I need more activator.
Yeah, think. Get out the way of your slime. Move your slime to the camera. DJ.
There we go. That's enough.
You added too much. I'm just kidding.
Hey, you can't be playing like that.
Okay, I'm about to take it out with my hands just a little bit and play with it.
I think I added too much. Like a lot too much.
No. I want to go swimming, bro. Yeah, how y'all been swimming every day? Y'all got a pool in your neighborhood?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all be going swimming every day?
Not every day.
Your mama let y'all go swimming?
Sometimes. We're supposed to have this. Oh, that's what we having this swim. I think we're having a swim party tomorrow.
Bill's daughter or something?
Mm-hmm.
How many kids do you have?
7.
Dang! And Bill was his stepdad.
I can't say that. He's not fully my stepdad.
He's almost his stepdad if they get married.
Yeah.
I think they are.
I think they are too.
Amari be telling me, she said whenever y'all watching Harry Potter,
What?
I guess someone knows. Sorry, I have to tell him. Because y'all ain't need to know about none of that.
None of my business.
Amari be telling me a lot. Y'all watch Harry Potter?
Yes, we had a whole Harry Potter marathon.
Do you like whenever all your cousins and Bill's
No,
nephews is there? Or just y'all family?
just my family.
So y'all just be chilling whenever it's y'all? Like, whenever I see y'all got cousins with y'all.
Mine is not slime.
Juju. That boy wiping your own Mari cover. Let me see. You're not stirring it?
I am stirring it. I'm stirring the pot.
Let me see. See, y'all always gotta do this with people. People don't know how to make slime.
That was this finger. Okay.
It look kind of dark too. I don't know if it's my camera or what. It looks dark everywhere. Now when you back up, that's more like it. You get it? Okay. This is what you're supposed to be looking for.
We have a healthy suitcase. It's broke. Keep LeBron James in here. He's
Okay,
missing.
keep on stirring up and then take it out. Whenever you're ready to take it out, take it out.
Alright.
And that means now.
He's missing the
Dang it, I got a little bit red.
LeBron James. Take it out now.
Make sure your spot is clean.
Yeah, my spot clean.
Okay, once it's sticky, that
Ooh,
means
that's wet. 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 For all the people in my family know what that means. Wet. Wet.
no, he's not trying to be nasty, I don't think.
Ooh, that feels so slimy. Weird. Wet.
Move my comforter.
It's not comforter. It's cover.
It's a comforter.
Cover.
Your big blanket that tops off your bed is a comforter. Tell me in the comments that it's a comforter.
How you want me to play with this? Like,
Let me see. Hold on. Can I just put it down? Me poking it. Play with it, does it?
I'm playing with it. It feels weird. I don't think my slime is gonna turn out to be slime.
People always say that, and then it turns out to be perfect. I may add a little dash of pink. See what color that makes. Guys, I don't really know about that. What color that make? See? It's coming together. Just
No, it's
keep on poking.
So, I move that.
I'm gonna add a little dash of this. Like I said, we are supposed to be getting a little camera thing. Supposed to be ordering.
We have one, but it broke. The fuck? What the bleep?
Actually, added a lot of pink. No, I just messed it up.
She messed up her slime, so my slime's the best.
This better not come out to be no freaking brown.
Come out to be brown. If it has more red.
Now I had to add blue. For sure. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look. It's kind of cool now.
My
Slime is
slime.
ready.
My slime?
Keep on, like, poke it.
I'm killing this thing.
Now I have to add more blue. Why are you sitting like that, dude?
Dude.
Okay, I added more.
Dude. Why are you looking like that, dude?
Look at that, dude. You see it?
Y'all see this one? Like, what is that?
I should have kept it baby blue, bro. I'm done for doing that.
You should just add more blue.
I just did. Look.
Like, the second time.
I did. Oh.
The second time. Not the third.
Now it's a freaking purple, and I hate purple. But it's like
My mama love purple. My mama love purple. White people, if you're watching this, I'm going to your school.
What school? Jollyville?
No.
You not going to Jollyville no more?
No.
Why?
I got in trouble too much.
So what school you going to?
A school named Live Oak.
You don't even live next to Jollyville, right?
Nope.
So you're not going to it no more.
And
Okay, look at it now. It's turning out blue.
I'm making a game controller.
Look at that.
Slime.
Wait, is it hard? Is it still sticky?
No, I'm not sure. Why you say that?
Keep it like that. So the things can stick. So here's my slime. Dang it. Got red in it. It's like a galaxy bluish, dark blue. I like it. Whatever.
I gotta wash my hands.
Okay, what color do you want? Foam beads? No.
You know I don't deal with that white.
I'm gonna add white.
This is son of a girl.
I would keep it like this, but
Oh, these feel so weird.
Jason, you're gonna even suck to your hands, you dummy.
Okay, dang.
Just pour out.
No!
They're dumb.
Mm.
Don't get them all on my cover. Company. And he gets it everywhere. I thought you said don't get it everywhere on my cover. You're gonna need more than that.
Nuh-uh. I still got some in my hand that fell out, dude.
I told you not to get on your hands. Look at it, now it's stuck.
It's not stuck. Stop, dude. There's more on the floor, dude. Look what you done did, dude. Now sweep all of that up, dude.
Get your slime. Like, get it piece by piece and fold it. You know? I'll make it now.
Oh, so crunchy. Crunch on me, dude.
Let me see. JJ.
Nothing to look at.
Let me see this, dude. You should stay. Just stick it with your hands.
That's what I'm doing, Nala.
It don't look like it to me. But Walmart, they have 25-cent Elmer's glue.
Huh?
Elmer's white glue. 25-cent Elmer's white glue.
I could find $1.
Okay. If you're talking about that dollar on the counter, that's Titans.
No, I'm talking about suits.
I got some of that too.
At my mama's house.
At my daddy's house, boy, you find about $5 and change everywhere. In his car, you'll find about $20.
Really?
Yes. One time he had $40 on the table.
Mm-hmm. Who took it?
Me and Nicholas were thinking about taking it, but then next thing you know, whenever he dropped me off to my mama, he gave it to me. He gave me a 20. JJ, you getting too close to my stuff.
Man, I needed that all white here.
Hey, that's lit. White and blue. What color you want now?
Me.
Huh?
What do you mean?
You need more.
Give me that white. I expect this somewhere because you be you be on some extra.
You should listen.
You're the same.
I love singing, bro. Like,
Yeah, this is 20 minutes.
I was singing on the trip because I was super bored.
Don't add too much. That's enough. I'm gonna have to murk this little baby.
That's funny.
Oh, mine feel like he got beads in it. Just cause your eyes breathing.
I did it on purpose. Jacquees, why you do that?
And then you gonna blame it on me.
I call that boy Jacquees.
Jacquees, if you're watching this video, don't think I'm you. Cause I can now sing for one. And
What?
I know you want love. I know you want me.
Jacquees will never watch this video.
And my
I
BED.
forgot Jacquees was still alive.
I know you wanna see. Yeah, I know you wanna be. And my BED. Riding so easy.
So if we're like wondering what we're doing right now, we're getting all the foam beads off the floor and sticking it to our slime because we don't want to waste any foam beads.
I got more white than colorful.
I'm not gonna add any colorful
Mine feel like it got beads in it.
unless I look through the thing, look through the bag, and separate all the colors. That'll be it. That'll take a whole day or two.
So what it is and what you want to know. I'll ask the girl for about 100 shows. And they coming up to
We
me.
can add a lot more now. So
Add some more to mine too.
what color?
White, nigga. You gotta bleep that out too. Bleep, 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 bleep. This is finna be 22 minutes now.
Okay. They can
Who
watch
watches 22 minutes? How many
it. Real
subscribers?
YouTubers do that.
What?
Have they thing 30 minutes sometimes. Clarence, he had one of his videos of 30 minutes and 13 seconds. If y'all saw that video with Patty in it, right here.
Patty D. Mayo?
Huh?
What do you mean?
That's the
Patty?
bounty hunter.
It's Bounty Hunter D.
If y'all watch him,
We're stuck.
y'all would lit. We watch him all the time.
Yeah. Every time when I get home for football practice, put it on about 100 D. It's Bounty Hunter D. You should do a morning daily vlog.
I heard you.
Oh my god. Let me show y'all this gorgeous thing. Sticky.
It's Freaky Friday and Christmas Friday.
I got this Ferrari. I'm like, let's get black, bitch. If I was
Let's
little-
do those. If y'all still do that, that's fine. I just
What?
did it because I wanted to. This.
To do what? Will fingers. I'm a
Well, if y'all watch Jasmine Tay,
people up in the zoo. Oh no.
and see this so
That's
cool.
a zoo.
It's a so cool game.
So cool. So cool. So cool. Ooh. Whoa, royalty, I've been the queen of things. I wake up getting the dreaming thing. You know they made a one challenge of that?
No, but I know they made a dub smash. I got dub smash on my phone.
Really don't listen to Zion the dreams. Niggas don't want me to find anything. Niggas that was like a 32 spending that money.
So
like I
that
never
wraps up
lose.
the video.
No, we was not done with this video.
And we might post another one tonight.
Nigga, we gonna make this 30 minutes.
Oh, yeah. We might make another one tonight. I don't know what we're going to do, though. We might just talk and stuff. Show our shoes and stuff. I don't know.
Or we
I'm
just
still
might
debating on
do.
what we're doing. Because we is not sleepy. I don't know what time it is.
This slime gonna keep me up all day. Fuck that.
You better not lose it either.
Bro, just because I lost that other one, that mean I'm gonna lose
And
this
he
one.
threw it in the trash.
He found it?
It was under my bed. And I had to go through my bed. And then he found it.
Was that one day?
Look at that. It doesn't fit anymore.
Mine gonna fit. I'll make it fit.
It's not. You're not gonna fit either. Look at this. It doesn't fit. Yes, it does. No, it doesn't.
Mine fit.
Look, it's the same. It barely fits. Like, if we had added more.
This is funny.
So we have our slime.
What you be cleaning this off with your hand or the sink?
Yeah, hand. So
I'll
that
call
wraps
it
up the video.
tic-tac.
Make sure you like,
It's
comment,
not
and subscribe.
30 minutes yet.
And so, yeah. And don't forget to share too.
Don't share.
Comment, and subscribe.
The high note though,
Make
like,
sure y'all do all it. All it.
you might have to go clean that.
Dude. Use your fucking fingers.
You can go wash it off. Flat both
Yeah,
stuff.
why you washing your hands? Go wash it off.
Oh my god.
Yeah, barely fits.
Alright.
So we ain't finna waste no glue. So I'm finna take it. Do you take that? Okay. So yeah. This is very dumb. Oh, that bridge feels good. It's kind of hot in here. And I said earlier, it felt good in here. Because I was super cold. I need to go wash my hands too. But that wraps up the video. And yeah. We might be posting another one tonight. I'm not sure what we're going to do. We might just talk and stuff. That's what we're best known. Oh my god. He left the door open. This is my bunk bed for my sister. I sleep on the bottom bunk. She sleeps on the top bunk. And that's her dresser. I got my own dresser because I'm special. So y'all heard him talking about 30 minutes. So yeah.
I thought it was still recording. It's still recording.
You think?
Oh my god.
Okay, so that was the video. Bye.
We should make another one.
Peace.
Oh,